Side mount truck boxes are a great alternative to our traditional truck toolboxes, or can also be the perfect addition for even more storage in your truck bed. The following instructions will walk you through the easy installation of a side mount box with the assistance of the Grip Right mounting kit. If you're unfamiliar with the assembly of our Grip Right mounting kit, go back and watch our assembly and installation video of the Grip Right kit before continuing. The same processes will apply to your side mount box. Place these included protective strips in position under the cuff of the side mount box to protect the bed rails and ensure that the side mount box is in the desired position before continuing. Place your truck toolbox on the truck bed rails and position to the desired location. Mark the Grip Right mounting locations on the bottom of the toolbox. Remove the toolbox and drill 3/8 inch holes in the marked positions. Make sure you've measured the offset locations carefully and drill the holes 3 3/8 inches apart. Secure the box to the top of the bed rail using the Grip Right mounting kit. Support the back of the box before mounting to your desired bed rail. Position one of the support legs against the back and side of the side mount box. Secure the support leg to the box using the hardware provided. Be certain to firmly attach the leg on the back and side surfaces of the box. Otherwise, the box will be very unstable and could cause the legs to resemble a young horse learning to walk. Repeat the previous step for the opposite leg to complete the mounting process for your new, better-built side mount box. Check to make sure all fittings are tightly secured and that the box is attached firmly. Great! That sure does look secure. This bad boy is ready for use.